A Montessori sand tray is a simple yet powerful tool for teaching letter formation and pre-writing skills. To create one, only a few basic materials are needed. A shallow wooden tray, or an alternative like a plastic container, cookie pan, or shoebox lid. Fine sand, salt, or rice. Optional, Montessori sandpaper letters or flashcards. The materials are simple, yet they help children develop essential writing skills in an engaging sensory way. A thin, even layer of sand is added to the tray. This ensures that each traced letter remains visible without being too deep. Smoothing out the surface before each use helps reset the tray for clear letter formation. For an added sensory experience, a few drops of essential oil can be mixed into the sand. To introduce letters, a child can begin by watching an adult model the movement. Using a finger, they slowly trace the letter while saying its sound aloud. Pro tip: in a Montessori sand tray, encourage the child to use 3 fingers, thumb, index, and middle, to trace the letter. This reinforces the proper pencil grip and enhances muscle memory for writing. In Montessori learning, tracing is paired with tactile sandpaper letters to reinforce muscle memory. Practicing in the sand before moving to pencil and paper makes writing feel more natural and less intimidating. Beyond letters, a sand tray can also be used to practice number formation, simple words, and even basic shapes. Sight words can be introduced by encouraging children to write familiar words. Resetting the tray is as simple as shaking it slightly, providing a fresh space for more practice. Regular practice with a Montessori sand tray builds confidence in early writing. The tactile experience strengthens hand coordination, making future writing tasks easier. With just a few simple materials, a Montessori-inspired learning tool is created, bringing hands-on education into any home or classroom. For more hands-on learning tips and DIY Montessori activities, follow us and visit www.waterfrontacademy.org.